In this video, I'll show you how to test internet speed on PC. Ensure you subscribe and turn on notifications to this channel for lots of educational contents like this. If you love to test the internet speed on your PC, what I'm going to do right now, head over to your browser, right? So this is it. Just come on here and type in tests internet speed, right? Click on the enter. Wait for it to load up. Once it has opened up, you're going to see this, right? So you're going to click on this run speed test, right? So it's gonna open up right now, and they're gonna basically see it's gonna record from the download and from the upload, right? So wow, so the download is 13, almost 40, like it's very high, so I'm gonna check the upload right now. Okay, so the upload is, I think, around 8.2. Yeah, so your internet connection is your internet connection is very fast. Your internet connection should be able to handle multiple devices streaming HD videos, video conferencing, and gaming at the same time. So yeah, this is basically how you can see this, right? This is how you can test internet speed on PC. If you found this video helpful, share thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna see you all in the very next one.